to the channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day. My name is Will, and today I'm going to share with you my recipe on how to make the one and only Fettuccine Alfredo. So simple, so tasty. All you're going to need, ladies and gentlemen, is some Parmesan cheese and some unsalted butter. It's as simple as that. Nothing complicated to it. There's no cream involved, and in my opinion, it really does not need it at all. It just doesn't. So with that being said, let's make this, shall we?
So, to kickstart this recipe, we're going to finally grate 23 grams of parmigiano reggiano. And by the way, when it comes down to this recipe, it's best if you use a good quality parmesan. Use the fresh stuff, don't use the pre-grated stuff. You should be able to find good quality parmigiano reggiano in any large supermarket these days. And now we're going to move to the stove, and here we've got a pan of boiling water, and you're going to generously salt the water. Generously salt the water. It should be as salty as the ocean, mate. Now add the pasta and cook it for 50% less than it says on the back of the packet. And please don't forget to give the pasta a stir every so often. And when the pasta is almost done, add a ladle of your pasta water to your pan, around 80 milliliters. And then to that, you're going to start to slowly whisk in 20 grams of unsalted butter until fully incorporated and emulsified. And then once it's fully emulsified, you're going to start to slowly whisk in the parmigiano reggiano, which you finely grated before. But I would recommend that you add this in 3 stages, so that the cheese incorporates into the sauce and emulsifies properly. And you should achieve a nice silky smooth sauce. Don't worry if it's a bit thin at this moment in time, because later on, it's going to thicken. Then once emulsified, add in your semi-cooked pasta and continue to cook the pasta in the sauce, making sure that you're stirring and tossing the pasta. And remember to add the pasta water whenever necessary to loosen the sauce a little bit, because parmigiano, when heated too much, can get a bit tough. So just stop that from happening, just add a bit of pasta water to loosen it up. And by the end, you should achieve a really nice cream-like sauce coating the perfectly cooked al dente pasta. And then once you achieve that, it's time to plate up. Plate up however you like, and top with Parmesan cheese and some freshly ground black pepper. And there you have it, Fettuccine Alfredo, done. That's a wrap.
And there you have it, guys. So that's my recipe on how to make the traditional Fettuccine Alfredo. If you want to make this at home, the full recipe with ingredients, measurements and the method is going to be in the description down below. So go check it out, copy and paste it, try it out for yourself, go crazy. And if you enjoyed this video or you learned something, please like and subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, see you next time.